Welcome back to this video. If you use Tor Browser on your phone, consider to watch this video from beginning to the end and see what is new in Tor Browser and top security features improved in Tor Browser. So let's see. But before we dive into the tutorial, if you find this tutorial useful and you are very new to this channel, remember click on that subscribe, turn on the notification bell for more useful tutorial like this. So with that being said, let's get started. Very first thing you need to do is open up your Tor Browser. So I'm going to click on here, open up my Tor Browser. Having opened up your Tor browser, next thing you need to do is to click on the setting icon right here. Having opened up your Tor browser, next thing you need to do is to click on these three dots from the bottom. The next thing you need to do is to click on what is new. It's going to take you to new release Tor browser 14.0.7. Now what you get here is you can simply scroll down right here. This version includes important security updates to Firefox. So you can simply click on security updates right here. Then right here, Mozilla Foundation Security Advisory Impact Key. You can scroll down and read details right here. So these are security fixed. So these are security update release March 4, 2025. Then security vulnerability fix in Thunderbird. Check it out. Then security vulnerability fix. Then you can see everything right here has been fixed. Now for you to get the latest update of this particular Tor browser, you can access from the web browser right here. And for easy update and eventually benefit from the new feature, what you need to do is to head over to our Play Store if you are using Android phone. But if you are using iPhone, just go to Play Store, just go to App Store. Then I'm using Android phone right here. I'll simply click on search right here. Then I'll come to the address and type in Tor browser. Then click on search. Now we have it right here. So click on the Tor browser. So if you have not updated, what you need to do is simply click on update right here. Then what you get when you update what is new, which is released March 2025, you just simply click on here. And then when you click on that, you read detail about the new feature of the Tor browser as it released. So Tor browser is improving with each new release. This release includes critical security improves. Please read the release notes for more information about what changed in this version. So you can click on the link right here to read the more article about the improvement in security in Tor browser. As simple as that. So this is what we have as far as new update and new feature and security improve in Tor browser is concerned. Let me know what you feel about these new features in the comment section down below. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.